And now an extremely confusing interlude between our videos here. Now in the next video I talk about resizing the objects to, build our composition. When I made that video, I had just uploaded or updated the new version of Photoshop, and the transform command wasn't working properly. Well, now it is. Okay, so like in the videos, I go through a process of how to scale and change these objects, but there's a much easier way to do it if you just hit Command T for transform, or Control T on the PC. As I'm doing this updated video, I can now grab a handle after I see the bounding box, and I can resize this thing just by grabbing the handle. If I grab a corner, it keeps everything in proportion. If I grab a side handle, I can make the object narrower. Now in the video that follows, I was having a heck of a time with that command, and I don't know what the heck went wrong with the update. However, I tried to do a workaround by showing a distort command and stuff like that. So this sounds confusing and it sounds a little weird, I know. Moral of the story is use Command T or Control T in conjunction with the Shift key. Do not use distort as I used in the next video. So, and yes, I know this is confusing, but there you have it.